Yo, it's your boy Will, and I'm back on another video. And today we will fold cup. What is um clothes? We'll fold clothes with Will, and this is day 7, and we will do this for 7 minutes. So let's start. Let's start, man. Start. Let's begin. By the way, oh, your boy got notes to write. A lot of stuff. I know y'all ready for something, man. Y'all ready for Memorial's Day, bro? I know y'all ready for the barbecue ribs and pork chops and all that. You ready to be a big fat, a big back, big back. That's what I mean. Big back. Cause I am. You know, that's the only day. That's the only day I might eat. I might eat. Eat some food for real. Other days, nope. Not at all. That's not how we get down, bro. That's not how we get down, bro. What's this supposed to be? Uh, you feel me? But y'all ready to eat them ribs, boy? Ribs, man. Ribs, man. Have a stomach after the day is over with. Dang, man. We don't just got Memorial's Day. We got 4th of July, bro, too. That'll be some big backs on that day, too. At that. Two days. 2 days at that. But ain't even close. July not close at all. But Memorial's Day is very close. For sure. Y'all ready to be some big backs, boy. Big backs, man. I love to eat some hot dogs with some barbecue sauce. Don't let me get started. Don't let me get started for real, bro. Hot dogs with barbecue sauce. That's grilled on the grill. on the grill hot dogs. Baby, you don't even know. You don't even know. Grilled hot dogs, bro, with barbecue sauce. Mm, 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 mm. Only Lord knows, bro. Only Lord knows, man. Feel me? Only Lord knows, man. Almost done. To be honest, man. To be honest. But yeah, y'all ready to be some big backs on Memorial Day, huh? Oh shoot. With my little sister stuff, man. Rock White Sox, never my type. Never my type, bro. Black Sox all day. Hope y'all doing good this morning, staying productive, stay ahead of the race, man. Just know the marathon don't stop. It don't stop for nobody. The time don't stop for nobody. Your dreams don't care about you, your feelings, or your excuses that you have. But yeah, man, we got like 12 seconds of this video, and your boy got pee like crazy. But yeah, I love y'all. It's your boy Will checking out, and I'm gone.